Hey guys, welcome to Oh Freebird Fly. We wanted to just take you on a journey of finding God in little places throughout leading up to the workshop that's coming in January. And so we just wanted to take you along with our adventures that we've been discovering with God. He's been leading us along the way and just giving us like these treasures to find, and so we just want to share them with you. So this is just one of the things that's happened with us, and this first one is about the Pantone Color of the Year. And just a little backstory, for last year's workshop, God gave a color for what would be like the main theme for the workshop, and that was the coral. And so we picked that, and we were just designing everything to kind of like go along with that color scheme. Like the website had that color, and God gave us a name for the workshop. It was about connection and just all these things. And we find out that the color of the year by Pantone was coral that year. So we kind of like, and then the description of what that was, it was all about connection and how it was living coral was actually the color, and how what happens with a living coral, it's from a distance it looks like one large mass, but when you get up close it's a bunch of different organisms. And just so God spoke to us so much last year about with using the color of the year, and he brought us a lot of fun confirmations that just honestly we laughed, and we were like, I remember we would just message each other back and forth and be like, you're never gonna believe this one. There's another one. There's another. And other people got to go on this journey with us. Like my husband got to see crazy things, and it was just fun. And so we were really anticipating what he would do this year with the color of the year. And I believe this is now a thing with God and us, with what he just blows our mind and fascinates us of what is possible with him. And so this year, it felt like the color was coral moving and fading into this blue color. And so the main color is blue, but it was like little hints of the coral that was fading into the blue. And so we've been waiting for the color of the year to be announced, and just like, what is he going to do this year? And it was announced, and it's classic blue. It's actually the blue that is our color. Yeah. It's the actual blue that is the workshop blue, and is Oh Freebird Fly blue. And the description is just goes right along with it. It's crazy. And so last night we found out what the color of the year was. And so I think that we just want to encourage you that God does so many fun things, and he's fun. He's not boring, and he will take you along on this treasure hunt and this journey. But just the whole workshop, what we're preparing for you is what God is leading us, and he's preparing, and he's being so intentional, even just with this color of the year and us being silly girls. And I feel like we're like these daughters, and he's like, just wait till I show you this awesome prophetic confirmation. So we wanted to take you on this journey with us, and just discovering with God and dreaming with God, these adventures, as Britt was saying today on the live. So what was some things that stood out with the color of the year for you that was kind of like, it feels like you're just getting hit with like this goodness every time when you start reading it?
And wasn't Jenna's had a dream about the color?
Oh yeah, and Jenna had a dream about the color at the workshop too.
It's so fun. It's so fun. You can choose to believe that it's all a big coincidence, or you can choose to believe that the God of the universe literally is so excited for us to have this workshop and wants to partner with us. And so one of the biggest things for me was even just what Pantone stands for, I think, and them as a company, they're the leading authority in color. And so for them to release something and to see it actually what we've been seeing. Is just, it shows you what's possible. And so it just drives us, I think, each of just saying more. Like, we want to see more. Like, we wanted to partner with God in this. And so seeing just as simple as a color, it might seem so
it's fun,
normal, like blue, it could just be normal blue, but like, we are choosing to believe, and like reading and going on an adventure with God of the description, like it personifies the Holy Spirit.
Yeah, it is.
It's beautiful. And it will just, this is just the tip of the iceberg. So I say yes.
Yeah.
I say yes to all those things, and I hope you say yes to it too, and just be open to how he wants to speak to you, because he cares about the small details of your life, the big dreams of your life, and he will show you colors, he'll show you anything. So
that's cool. What about you, Tracy?
What stood out to me for the reveal, first of all, the leading up to the reveal was impactful to me as a creative, like how they took time and intentionality and creating opportunity for us to even be excited about a color.
Yeah,
you know?
right? I know, the color of the year.
Come on. If you think about just color in life, how it influences us, colors influence. Yeah. And so it just is a powerful message, even about the Holy Spirit influencing us. But classic blue, classic is something that never goes out of style. And it just makes me think of the vision workshop, and just going into 2020 with vision, that God speaks so much about vision in his word. Like, it doesn't go out of style, guys. You know, vision's always in style. It's classic. It is just a powerful thing that God's given us in life to journey with him, is to have vision. So he had vision for you before you were even born. And here you are. And so he wants us to have vision with him. And so it's just beautiful how, how to look at color differently, I think, is just join us in looking at all those little pieces that God's putting before us, and say, can you see it? Like, can you, come on, like, isn't this so cool?
Yeah. And I feel like, even I was saying that Pantone, even last year, was like, they might not, I don't know if they do, but if they don't realize that they're like actually partnering with God and prophesying what he's doing on the earth. Everything in the description is so the Holy Spirit. This blue, it's like the foundation, like classic blue is the foundation, and it was just, you'll have to go on and read the description, and we will put it in the comments or on a link or something. But it's so beautiful. And even Jenna's dream, she had a dream that we, for the workshop, that there was this blue flame, and that we were super hosts. Super hosts of the Holy Spirit, that this is going to be, that the workshop is going to be a super host of the Holy Spirit. And I believe that even this color of the year, classic blue, this color is going to go in fashion, furniture stores, everywhere. This is for branding. This color, Pantone influences the world. And so God is speaking this, what is coming, and he does it in it says that everything proclaims him.
Yeah.
Even the color of the year, guys. So get excited, wonder with God, dream with God. Like Britt was saying, you can decide that, that's just coincidence. I think everything is him. So dream with him, discover with him, go on an adventure, and get ready for the Wide Awake 2020 Vision Workshop here in Tampa, Florida. And we are excited to see you there. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.